In today's fast-paced digital world, securing your wireless networks has never been more crucial. Meet AirVector Sentry, the game-changer in wireless network security. Designed for those responsible for surveying wireless networks, AirVector Sentry is your vigilant guard against wireless threats. Deploying AirVector is a breeze. Install AirVector LAN mode on your workstation or remotely on a node in your data center. Even in a data center, AirVector seamlessly integrates with your existing infrastructure. AirVector Sentry stands guard, detecting rogue access points, whether they're lurking in your data center or hiding in your parking lot. With AirVector, every threat is immediately reported. Notifications are sent as Syslog to your SIEM, keeping you one step ahead of potential breaches. AirVector Sentry's versatility is unmatched. It deploys anywhere, offering improved visibility in any environment. Install it on any node running the Windows operating system with a wireless network adapter. It's that simple. AirVector Sentry is vigilant. As it detects new access points, it sends their details, name, channel, and strength as Syslog directly to your SIEM platform. Close wireless attack vectors effortlessly. When attackers deploy rogue access points, whether in your lobby or parking lot, AirVector ensures your SIEM is the first to know. With AirVector Sentry, you're not just monitoring your network, you're securing the future of your digital landscape. AirVector Sentry, your sentinel in the wireless world. Secure, vigilant, and always on guard. Visit to learn more. AirVector Sentry, your partner in wireless network security.